We are pleased to show you the 2022 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.